Space enthusiasts, today, we're diving deep into the cosmos to uncover the mysterious giants lurking in the dark corners of the universe. That's right, it's time to explore the top 5 biggest black holes in the universe. We're taking a journey to discover the most massive and mind-blowing black holes ever observed. From the heart of distant galaxies to the mysteries of cosmic scale, get ready to be amazed. Number 5. TLN 618, a supermassive black hole residing 10.37 billion light-years away from us. This quasar's mass is estimated to be a staggering 66 billion times that of our Sun, making it one of the largest black holes known to humankind. Just to put that into perspective, TLN 618's event horizon, the point of no return around a black hole, is larger than our entire solar system. Imagine a black hole so massive it could swallow entire solar systems in the blink of an eye. Its gravitational pull is so immense that it influences the structure of its host galaxy and beyond. Number 4. S50014+81. Moving on to number 4, we have S50014+81, an enormous black hole residing in the heart of a galaxy cluster. This colossal black hole weighs approximately 40 billion times the mass of our Sun, dominating its cosmic neighborhood with its powerful gravitational grip. S50014+81's existence challenges our understanding of how such massive black holes form and evolve in the dense environments of galaxy clusters, where gravitational interactions are frequent and intense. Number 3. NGC 1277. Coming in at number 3 is NGC 1277, a unique black hole located in a relatively small galaxy. Despite its modest galactic home, this black hole weighs in at a staggering 17 billion solar masses, packing a punch that defies its surroundings. NGC 1277's discovery reshapes our perspective on the relationship between galaxies and their central black holes, showcasing the diversity and complexity of cosmic structures across the universe. Number 2. Messier 87's black hole. Now, at number 2, we have the iconic black hole at the heart of Messier 87. Captured in the first ever image of a black hole, this cosmic titan spans a jaw-dropping 6.5 billion times the mass of our Sun, residing over 55 million light-years away from Earth. The image of Messier 87's black hole, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, marked a historic milestone in our quest to understand these enigmatic objects. Its colossal size and mysterious nature continue to captivate astronomers and enthusiasts alike. Number 1. SGR-A. Finally, claiming the top spot is none other than SGR-A, the supermassive black hole anchoring our Milky Way galaxy. Despite its modest mass compared to others on our list, around 4 million times that of our Sun, SGR-A wields significant gravitational influence. SGR-A sits at the heart of our galaxy, influencing the orbits of stars and the dynamics of the Milky Way's spiral arms. Its relatively quiet nature compared to other black holes allows astronomers to study fundamental physics in action right in our cosmic backyard. And there you have it, our countdown of the top 5 biggest black holes in the universe. Which cosmic behemoth surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing space content. Until next time, keep looking up.